Welcome back to Supercar, your channel for all things automotive. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Fiat Punto, a car that's catching a lot of attention in the city car segment. Known for its compact size and urban-friendly features, the Fiat Punto has been a top choice for city drivers. With its latest model, Fiat aims to make your urban commute smoother and more stylish than ever. So if you're looking for a reliable, practical, and stylish car for the city, stay tuned. And before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all our latest reviews. The 2025 Fiat Punto is built for city driving. Its compact design, combined with impressive fuel efficiency, makes it stand out in the crowd. So, what makes it the perfect city car? Let's dive in. Sleek and compact exterior. The 2025 Fiat Punto keeps its classic look, but gets a modern twist. Its small size makes it perfect for navigating tight city streets and squeezing into tight parking spaces. With its four-door hatchback design, it's both stylish and practical. The front grille proudly displays the Fiat emblem, framed by sharp LED headlights for great visibility during night drives. Its compact size lets you easily maneuver through city traffic, making daily commutes far less stressful. The Punto also comes in a range of vibrant colors, from bold red to sleek metallic gray, ensuring you turn heads wherever you go. Do you prefer compact cars for city driving, or do you lean toward larger vehicles? Let us know in the comments. Agile and efficient performance. The 2025 Fiat Punto's 1.0-liter turbocharged three-cylinder engine delivers 95 horsepower, plenty for zipping through city streets. The six-speed manual transmission offers smooth shifts, while the available seven-speed dual-clutch automatic is perfect for those who prefer an easier drive. Fuel efficiency is another strong point, with around 45 miles per gallon, making it incredibly economical for city drivers. Stop-start technology helps conserve fuel when idling at traffic lights or in heavy traffic. Handling is a breeze, thanks to the Punto's front-wheel drive and tight turning radius, making sharp turns and parking easy. The suspension system also ensures a smooth ride over potholes and uneven roads. Is fuel efficiency and easy handling important to you in a city car? Share your thoughts in the comments. Interior, comfort and convenience. Inside, the 2025 Fiat Punto feels spacious despite its compact size. The seats are ergonomic, making long commutes comfortable, and the materials used are top-notch, with soft touch surfaces that give a premium feel. The 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system comes with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing easy access to your music, navigation, and calls. The system is intuitive and responsive, and you can control it hands-free through voice recognition, ensuring safety while driving. The Punto offers plenty of storage space, with a roomy glove compartment, center console, and door pockets. Despite its compact size, rear seat passengers will find enough legroom for short trips, and the rear seats fold down to provide more cargo space when needed. What's your priority in a city car? Comfort, tech, or storage? Let us know in the comments. Tech and safety features. The 2025 Fiat Punto is loaded with technology that not only makes driving easier, but also enhances safety. Key features include Lane Keep Assist, keeps you centered in your lane. Adaptive Cruise Control, automatically adjusts your speed to maintain a safe distance from the car in front. Automatic Emergency Braking, reduces the risk of collisions by applying the brakes if needed. Rear Parking Sensors, help you park easily in tight spots. These features make the Punto a safe choice for both new and experienced drivers. Blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert are also included, helping you navigate busy city streets safely. What safety features are most important to you? Is parking assistance essential for your city car? Let us know in the comments. The perfect fit for city life. The 2025 Fiat Punto truly shines in city environments. Its small size, easy handling, and efficient performance make it ideal for urban life. Whether you're commuting to work, running errands, or simply exploring the city, the Punto makes every journey enjoyable. Its high driving position gives a great view of the road, and its excellent visibility ensures you can navigate tight spaces with confidence. The Punto's stylish design, combined with its wide range of colors, allows you to stand out. With a starting price of around $18,000, the Fiat Punto offers excellent value, giving you a premium feel without breaking the bank. Before we wrap up, don't forget to subscribe to Supercar for more reviews and updates on the latest in the automotive world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.